Hey everybody, welcome. Riley here with another Little Big RJ Perler project. First of all, I'd just like to say Happy New Year, Happy 2018 to everybody. It's already 1 month down, 11 to go. It's February, which means there's lots to honor and celebrate this month. You got Valentine's Day, President's Day, Black History Month, Pi Month at Murray Calendars, Lunar New Year. Speaking of the Lunar New Year, I hope you guys were able to catch the supermoon we had this week. I was out there very early in the morning taking some photos and recording a time lapse, which I will put up for you guys on another video series on this channel where I'll talk about another hobby of mine, photography. But anyway, I've gotten off track with today's topic. So the other thing February is known for is National Cancer Prevention Month. So in honor of that, today we'll be making these cute little cancer ribbon awareness magnets. Check it out. So first things first, you're going to need a square pegboard to put the beads on. This is one of the regular connecting square pegboards that you can get from the Perler website, as well as any craft stores like Michael's. However, I found this smaller square pegboard at IKEA of all places that fits the shape of the ribbon perfectly. But you can use whichever one you prefer. It's your creation after all. Once the beads are all down, it's time to iron. When you buy the pegboards, they all come with this ironing paper, but parchment or wax paper works also. The most important thing is to keep the iron moving, or else it can burn through the paper and melt everything too much. And don't forget to iron both sides. So as you can see, these things are pretty simple to make. You can make however many you'd like and however many colors you'd like. They're cool little trinkets to have. If you want to stop right there, then you're done. You have this cool little display you can put anywhere in your bookcase or shelf or whatever you want to do with it. But if you want to keep doing what I'm doing, which is put little magnets on them, I'll put a link in the description where I get these cool little disc magnets online at Amazon. Or if you don't want to go on Amazon, you can get them at pretty much any craft store, Joann's, Michael's, I think even Walmart has them. So these ones are made out of the regular size perler beads, but you can also make them with mini perler beads such as this. So what I did is I attached them to a little keychain so I could take it with me everywhere I go. The pattern is exactly the same, just, you know, on a mini scale. I'll post a link in the description for the keychains also down below. I carry this one around with me, which is orange and gold in awareness for leukemia and childhood cancer. Helping fundraise for cancer research is something that's very near and dear to my heart because I have a 2-year-old niece who was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia when she was only 5 months old. But I am very pleased to announce that just last week Emma passed her 100 days since her last bone marrow transplant for my sister. And the doctors just notified us that she's been cleared, and as of right now she is cancer free. So just so thankful to hear that news, and just thank you to everyone who's been sending love and prayers our way. I can't tell you how much it means to me. So what I'm also doing with these is I'm selling them on my Etsy page if you guys want to check them out and buy them from me. I'll post a link down in the description as well to my page so you can find them and check them out. For these magnets, I'm going to be offering free shipping in the US, and for each one sold, I will be donating $1 to the research organization of that particular ribbon. If you guys make these as well, I'd love to see them and check them out and hear your guys' stories. Go ahead and send them to me. Find me on Instagram at LittleBigRJ, and you can see other projects I've made, and I'd love to see yours too. Also, hashtag Team Emma. So thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe if you want to see more. It's still February, so I got some fun Valentine's Day ones coming up. And until then, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.